Mostly in the winter time, the bird used to take a shelter in here in the cold season, mostly in the winter. And I used to put the food for them, the right there one and the one in here. But what happened, what I found out here today is a very different story. Look at here. I found what the dead birds out there on the floor when the snow got melted out today. It's a little bit warmer, it's 52, and those birds were dead because of a snowstorm that hits the Buffalo, New York pretty badly on the Christmas and Christmas Eve. This is so bad. Look at here. It's not nice. Poor birds.